Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard apple cider. We will begin by outlining the necessary equipment and ingredients you will need to start your brewing journey. Next, we will delve into the crucial steps of preparing your apple juice for fermentation. Then, we will cover the entire fermentation process, ensuring a successful conversion of sugars into alcohol. Finally, we will guide you through bottling and conditioning your delicious homemade hard cider, ready for enjoyment. To begin, gather your essential tools. You will need a 5-gallon carboy or a food-grade fermentation bucket for the primary fermentation. A hydrometer is crucial for measuring the sugar content and tracking fermentation progress. For ingredients, select 5 gallons of fresh, unpasteurized apple juice, ensuring it contains no preservatives like potassium sorbate. Finally, choose a high-quality yeast strain, such as champagne yeast or a specialized cider yeast, to kickstart the alcoholic conversion. Now, let's dive into the fermentation process. First, meticulously sanitize all your equipment to prevent unwanted bacteria. Pour your 5 gallons of apple juice into the sanitized fermenter. Hydrate your chosen yeast according to package instructions, then pitch it into the juice when the temperature is around 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Securely attach an airlock to the fermenter's lid to allow carbon dioxide to escape while keeping oxygen out. Let it ferment for 2 to 3 weeks. Finally, it is time to bottle and condition your hard cider. Carefully siphon the fermented cider from the fermenter into clean, sanitized bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. For natural carbonation, add 1/4 cup of priming sugar, like dextrose, per gallon of cider. Cap each bottle securely to create an airtight seal. Store the bottles in a cool, dark place for at least 2 weeks to allow for proper conditioning and carbonation before you enjoy your homemade brew.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.